Now, exclusively for children, 5 questions you can ask till my aircraft goes, okay? 5 questions.
We have the questions ready.
No. Ready question I don't answer. Anybody can ask question, okay? Anyone. No, don't worry. I will manage now. I am going to manage.
Okay.
Upstairs fellows, get up. Who want to ask me a question? Upstairs fellows. No question upstairs. Afterwards you can ask it, I will not answer. No. Yes, get up. Shout.
Sir, what has inspired you the most, sir?
What inspired? I had a teacher when I was a 10-year boy, 1941, British India. At that time I had a teacher, Sir Subramania Iyer. Okay? So he's science teacher. He went to the blackboard, 5th class teacher. He went to the blackboard, put a sketch of a bird. You know bird how it looks like? Put a wings, tail, nose and all, started explaining. Then took us to seashore, showed us how the bird flies, with flapping the wings and all. On that day, I knew not only how a bird fly, my aim in life also shaped on that day. Now, decide. Yes. Shout. Mic is.
Was there any point in your life where you actually felt that you have to doubt your ability?
You have to
Doubt your ability.
doubt your ability. Well, I personally believe that. Get up. You asked a question. See that you have to have great teachers as your friend, okay? And great books as your friend. Fortunately, when I was a young boy, I had my teacher Subramania Iyer. And second great book I got, Light from Many Lamps. These, when a young fellow, I had come into contact with 2 books. Both the great book and my great teacher taught me, when the problem comes, don't make the problem as your captain. You should become the captain of the problem, defeat the problem and succeed. Okay, this side, yes, shout. Hello, mic fellow, go up fast. How many mic you have? One guy should be there, other guy should be there, other guy should be there.
Yes, sir.
You have to organize.
Yes.
Sir, has there ever been a time in your life that you have experienced defeat, and what have you learned from it?
And I didn't get you.
Has there been any time in your life where you've experienced defeat?
Well, I experienced defeat. For example, when was given the first program. That's the question? When I got a first program 1973, I had to build a big rocket. Rocket failed, okay? Rocket failed after 7 years of work. So it was a big disappointment. But there was a leader, that is Professor Satish Dhawan. He took up the failure at that time, even though I am the project director, mission director. Next year when we succeeded fully, he asked me to go and conduct the press conference. That means leader absorbs the failure, leader gives when the success comes, leader gives to his team members. So that I learned. Good question. Yes.